In today's video, I'll share with you how you can win 250,000 euro as trading capital, just like the trader BJ. And I have no idea who that is, but I know that he's the winner of this month's Darwinex competition called Darwinex, and you can see that this asset management firm allocates trading capital to hundreds of people. Actually, if I scroll the list down to the bottom, you will see that people down at spot 170, 80, 217. So 217 traders got allocation starting from 25,000 euro up to exactly 250,000 euro. And in today's video, I'll share with you more about the competition, and you will learn exactly what are the different stages and what you need to achieve as results in order to get this type of allocation. So if I click on the trader, you will see that on the right side we have some more information about his performance. His return for the last 5 months is 12.93. The return in August alone was 7.31%, which is absolutely achievable, and the maximum drawdown for the last 6 months was -351. I guess that's where he succeeded in getting a very good ranking. And if I click on allocation, you will see that in May he got 25,000 euro, in June 60k, July 35k, and now in August #1 position with 250k. So that's the money he will have in his trading account, and then there will be a profit split and he will earn from the profits he succeeds to make in the next months. And if you don't know how to participate, you need to go to darwinexzero.com, and then if you click on capital allocation, you will see the different stages. But before I go through those in details, let me tell you that Darwinex is not a prop firm where you buy a challenge and there are trading objectives you need to follow. As well, it is not a CFD broker where you should fund an account and trade your own money. It is an asset management firm where the fee to sign up is 95 euro, but if you use the link down below in the description, you will get 20 euro discount, and from there every month you will be charged 38 euro. And with the Darwinex Classic, you have the option to fund an account and trade your own money, and very soon those accounts that have an equity of $1,000 will be able to participate in the competition. Now, once you register, you will start with the training stage, and no worries, you cannot fail this stage. It is just 20 days where you will be trading using your expert advisor or robot. You can do manual trading as well, but for 20 days you will start building your ranking in Darwinex Zero, and in this stage you are trading with virtual funds. The risk engine will evaluate your trading and you will build your index or your Darwin. Then you go to first stage, which is called Darwinex Silver, where you can start receiving allocation. And in order to get 25,000 euro, you need to have minimum rating criteria of 75, or with their calculator you can see that if you do 2% in the first month, the cumulative percent would be 0, and you stick to maximum drawdown of -5, that would not be enough to get your allocation because your rating will be 62.93. If you succeed to achieve 3%, still not enough, 4% is not enough, and 5% is where you are getting the 25,000 euro allocation. In the next months you need to be consistent with your results, so even 2% is enough. Look at that, if you achieve 2%, cumulative would be already 7, you are getting another 25,000 euro allocation, which means that you will be one of those guys down in the list getting 25,000 euro. And you can see that if you have better rating, you'd get 30,000 euro. If you have rating somewhere above 85, it goes to 40,000, 50, and the top spots get the most. So if your rating is somewhere close to 95, you have chance for the third or the second or even the first spot, where the allocation is really huge. So this month the 250k allocation went to the guy with rating 9703, 185k for the trader with rating 95.38, and 140k for the trader with rating 94.75. But that's where it gets really interesting with the next stage. Once you complete the silver stage, you are going for the Darwinex Gold, where the location is up to 500k euro. But the most important thing here is that your index opens to investors, meaning that you can leverage your capital beyond the seed capital from Darwinex and attract external money to be invested in your trading strategy or in your Darwin index that you are building. And as well, this allocation is committed for 6 months without additional conditions, or the money that you're getting in Darwinex Gold will stay in your account for 6 months, which makes a huge difference, especially if you're trading with expert advisor. And as well, the ranking that I showed you is for the Darwinex Silver, and for the Darwinex Gold we are expecting the ranking as coming soon. But if you've watched some of my previous videos, you would know that you're getting allocation in 3 consecutive months. So with the gold stage, if you succeed to get up to 500k allocation and you do this in 3 consecutive months, it means a trading account up to $1.5 million, which is really huge. And check out the top trader that already trades with $35 million account. He has over 1,600 investors and he has earned over 700,000 euro. So Darwinex Zero is like the big game when it comes to asset management, and compared to the prop firms, you definitely have the chance to get much bigger allocation. As well, they are regulated, so I would strongly suggest you check out, do your due diligence, research more about it. I'll leave the link down below so you can take advantage of 20 euro discount. And one more time, the best thing why I started using Darwinex is because they don't have any trading objectives. There is no maximum drawdown, no minimum or maximum trading days. You just do your trading and stay profitable in the long term, and the allocation will come. If you have experience with Darwinex Zero, let me know down below in the comments, so the video will be useful for everyone watching. And in order to get the allocation, check out this video on my site where I gave much more examples with their calculator. As always, before you go, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have found this video useful, and always trade safe, enjoy trading, and don't forget that I love you.